Hey everyone, welcome to Chapter 3, Lesson 2. This is page 163 in the 5th grade math books. And what we'll be doing today is division models. So yes, this is an art class. 3 students share 48 markers evenly. How many markers will each student have? So this is number 1, model 48 using base 10 blocks. Number 2, divide the 10 groups into 3 equal groups. Number 2, circle 3 groups of 10s, draw the equal groups, regroup the remaining 10 blocks into 1s. How many 1s are there all together? So the first thing I'm going to do is I have 4 10 blocks, and they want me to divide them evenly amongst 3 groups. So this would be group 1, group 2, and group 3. Now my last 10 block, we're going to, instead of having a 10 block, we're going to have 10 1s. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I have, so this 10 block here, I changed that into 10 1s. And now with the rest of the 1s, I have 8 more. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means altogether I have 18 1s. This is divide the 1s into 3 equal groups, draw an equal amount of 1s into the 3 groups. So I have 18 1s. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that means it says each group has how many 1s? So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 6 1s in each group. So each group has 1 10 and 3 1s. And 6 1s. So 48 divided by 3 is going to equal 16 because I have my 1 in my 10s place and my 6 in my 1s place. So each student will have 16 markers. Just to recap, so we had 4 10 groups. And then my last 10 group, my leftover 10 group, I changed my leftover 10 group into 1s, 10 1s. And that's how I was able to get 18 1s. So we're going to try number 5. This is try it. So 56 divided by 5. So I have 56 base 10 blocks, and I have to split those into 5 equal groups. So I'm going to have one group, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can put a 10s block in each group, and I have 5 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5 10 blocks. And now I'm going to do my 1s. I have 6 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have my drawing up here. The book wants us to draw it down here. So let me just, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I just drew the same drawing from up here and I transferred it to my work down below. It says how many 1s are left over, because I did have 6 1s. So I have 1 left over to the right. So how many 1s are left over? It's 1. So each group has 1 10 and 1 1. So when you divide 56 into 5 groups, that means there's 11 in each group with 1 left over. So I have 11 with 1 left over. So just for future reference, that's going to be remainder 1. Okay, so number 1, it says model 32 divided by 3 using base 10 blocks. Will there be any left over, and explain? So go ahead and try number 1, pause the video, and I'll be back with you shortly. So we're at 32 divided by 3. So how I need to do this is 3 10s and 2 1s. So I'm going to model 32. I have 3 10s and then 2 1s. So that is how I'm going to model my 32. And I have to split these up into 3 equal groups. And to divide these into 3 equal groups, I have one group. Okay. Sorry about that. So now I have one group here, my second group, and my third group. So I have to distribute these evenly, so I could put a 10 here, 10 here, and a 10 here. And the reason why I'm dividing it into 3 equal groups is because we're dividing 32 by 3. So I have a 10 in each one, and I have two remaining ones. And since I only have 2 of those, I cannot distribute those evenly. So I'm just going to put my 2 1s to the side. So will there be any left over? Yes. Each group has 1 10. And then with 2 1s left over. So some things to remember. Base 10 blocks. This represents 1. This represents 10. This will represent 100. And the cube represents 1,000. So what we do is we create our first number. So we have 32, and I represent 32 with base 10 blocks, and I divide or split it up equally among my divisor, so 3 groups. So 32 divided by 3. So I have 10 with 2 left over. So that's the end of the notes. So thank you for watching.